Good evening, friends. Welcome to another video of Marketprofile Engineer. As always, I tell this is just an educational video wherein I am journaling my trading and my emotions and what all came throughout my mind while trading. So, as per the long-term activity record, it was a buyer-dominated day, but the volume was lower, comparatively lower, and if you see the value area, it was unchanged. So, in that scenario where market is trending up and lower volume and unchanged value indicates that it is a balancing and it is weakening. So a trend is weakening, so we need to wait for further confirmation. That was the mindset which I carry forward before trading. So it was a normal kind of a day formation, but when I saw market open within the value area, it tested a previous day high and it was optioning downwards. I thought it will be a kind of a trending day towards downside. Actually, it was a mistake because whenever the market opens within a value area, we should not expect towards that kind of an attitude. But then somehow it came out in my mind it will be trending downwards. But I did not wait for any confirmation. Even if you see the B period, it given a clear downward TPO. So that came and stuck in my mind. So I took a trade before getting a confirmation of the initial balance low being broken. I took a trade, and I'll show in the later on slide where I got an entry. That also I did not follow the strategy. So the first trade was in a losing trade, and the emotions came into my mind. Immediately I wanted to recover that loss. Again I took a trade without any confirmation. But that could have been, if I took that second trade initially, I could have obtained some points. But actually today it is not a market to be traded because market opened in the previous day value area and it was inside range. So in this kind of a scenario, we need to expect for a non-trend or a normal type of a day, and we did not get any confirmation by IB breaking low or a high. So and previous day our view was also the same. So we should not have traded for the day. So anyway, I kept some discipline by trading with a small stop loss. So maybe and I did not overtrade. I restricted my trade to 2 numbers, so I did not make a big loss. Anyway, it is a good lesson to me, and I will try to overcome this. So this was the trade which I took. You can see when I took the first trade, when that first candle touched the Bollinger Band low, I was in a mindset that the second candle, which was also red, I thought it will give a green formation when it was racing. So I took a trade out of that expectation, but immediately my stop loss was hit, and when that green candle formed, it was somewhat our setup. So I entered the trade at that time, and it was in a good profit as well. You can see the next candle, it was giving a very good trade, but I thought it will be a trending downward. That was my mistake which I told, because I did not notice that C period did not close below or C period did not take the IB low, so I should not have entered this trade. So that also it hit the stop loss. So today was a losing day. Anyway, I took lesson from that, and I'll next day coming days I will be somewhat cautious and do a disciplined trading. These are the trades which I executed. Anyway, it was a losing day. So this is my mindset. I already told. Risk reward was good, that is why it was not a big loss, and I controlled my mind. Even though many occasions it was willing to take another trade, many trades, but I restricted it. So anyway, it is giving confidence. and although my conviction was right, I did not stick on to my plan. So that was a mistake which I made today, which I'll rectify in the coming days. Thank you.